Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to math class. Open your books to page number 18. On page number 18 we have a new topic, comparing 4 and 5 digit numbers. Remember how hungry crocodile checks to see which of the two numbers is greater? He always goes for the bigger number. When he compares 4698 and 4693, he finds that the digit at thousands, hundreds and tens places are the same, but at the ones place 8 is greater than 3. It means 4698 is greater than 4693. Students, example में दो numbers दिए गए हैं. The first one is 4693. The second one is 4698. So what can you see in these numbers? Yes, the first three digits are the same, 4, 6, 9. But then in the ones position, one number has 3 and the other has 8. So which number is bigger, 3 or 8? Yes, of course, 8. So the second number is greater. Now let's read the remember box. First check the thousands. Secondly, the hundreds. Then check the tens, and lastly the ones, which is what we did. 4 is the same in the thousands position. 6 and 6 in the hundreds position are the same. 9 in the tens, but then in the ones position the numbers are different. So that is how we compare. Now let's look at this. So do you remember these signs? Yes, they are showing us the crocodile mouth, right? You can see that the crocodile is going to eat the bigger number. So its mouth is towards the bigger number. So that way we show this symbol. The opened mouth will face the bigger number. So agar bigger number is on the left side, it will face the left side, and if it's on the right side, then it will look at the right side. So you can see in the first one, 4698 is on the left side, so it's pointed towards the left. You can see that this symbol means greater than, and the other symbol which is facing the right side means smaller than. So let's read it. 4698 is greater than 4693. Similarly, 4693 is smaller than 4698. Good job. You have to learn this. Now let's look at the examples. Number 1, 1625 is greater than 1620. So how will we write it? Yes, we will make it face the left side, is greater than. Which digits did you compare? We compared the ones digit, right? Because rest of the numbers are same. But then 5 is greater than 0 in the ones position. Number 2, 2750 is less than 4750. So you can see that it's less than. We are going to make it face the right side. Which digit did we compare? The thousands position. You can see that 2 is smaller than 4 in the thousands position. Number 3, fill in the symbols greater than or smaller than. So now we have to do this exercise ourselves. Part A, 9562 dash 9362. Check the thousands first. 9 is equal to 9. Yes. Check the thousands. 5 and 3. So which one is greater? 5. Yes. So we will use the greater than sign. So the answer will be 9562 is greater than 9362. You can see these three dots are given. This means therefore. Now let's look at part B. We have a 5-digit number now. 14,359 dash 14,369. So you know we always check the 10,000s position, the greatest position first. 1 is equal to 1. Then thousands position, 4 is equal to 4 again. Good job. Check the hundreds position. Yes, 3 is equal to 3 again. But then in the tens position, when we're checking it, you can see the numbers are different. 5 and 6. Which one is greater? Yes, 6. So we are using 5 is lesser than 6. Therefore, 14,359 is less than 14,369. Just remember that the mouth will face the greater number. Now let's go to the next page, page number 19, where we have let us practice. So number 1, place greater than or less than in each box. Which digits did you compare? So in these blanks we will write the digits that we compared, the position, the place value, and we will put the greater than or less than sign. So the part A is done for us. 5648 is greater than 5640. Why? Because in the ones position 8 is greater than 0, so we wrote ones here. So now let's do part B. 3906 is given and the other number is 3956. So here which number is greater, students? Yes, the second one. Why? Because of the tens position, right? On the right side, the number 5 is greater than 0. So which sign will we use? Yes, the lesser than sign, because the greater number is on the right side. So it will face the right side. In the blank, we will write tens. Good job. Now let's do part C. 9004 and 8004. Which number is greater? Yes, the one on the left side. Why? Because of the thousands place value. Good job. 9 is greater than 8. So we will put the sign facing the left side, which is greater than. So 9004 is greater than 8004, and in the blank we will write thousands. Good job. Now you can do rest of the parts yourself. Come to question number 2. Fill in the symbols greater than or less than. Let's look at part A. 3024-4023. What's the correct answer? Yes, less than, because the number on the right is bigger. So we will make the crocodile mouth face the right side. Now let's do part B. 2569-1659. Which one is bigger? Yes, the left number. 2569 is greater, so we will use the greater sign. So our sign will face the left side. Now you can do the rest yourself. These are all the correct answers. You can pause the video and do it. Number 3. Using the digits 3046, write the greatest 4-digit number. So you know that when we write the greatest 4-digit number, the thousands place value will be the biggest, right? So of course, when we're making the greatest number, the first digit should be the greatest, right? And when we're writing the greatest 4-digit number, the greatest place value would be the thousands place. So on the thousands place value, we can write 6 because that is the greatest number from all of these 4 numbers. Then what is the second greatest number, students? Yes, 4. So in the hundreds place value, we can write 4. Then for tens, we can write 3, and for ones, we will write 0. So our greatest 4-digit number with these digits can be 6403. Good job. Now let's look at number 4. Using the digits 2168, write the smallest 4-digit number. Again, we're writing a 4-digit number, so we will start with the thousands place. But when we are writing the smallest number, we will write the smallest number for the place value as well. So for thousands, we will write 1. For hundreds, we will write 2. For tens, we will write 6. And for ones, we will write 8. Why did we write the number 1268? Why not any other number? Yes, because when we are comparing, we start with the thousands digit, right? The first number. And when the first digit will be smaller than the other digit, of course, the number automatically will be the smallest it can be. So the answer is 1268. Good job. So now these are all of your exercises that you will do for today. See you next time, students. Allah Hafiz.